iMessage not working on Mac. Here are 5 troubleshooting steps that might help. Number 1. Check if iMessage is enabled. Go to Messages in the menu bar. Select Preferences. In the iMessage tab, check Enable this account. Number 2. Sign out and sign back in to iMessage. Go to Messages and click on Preferences. Select iMessage tab and sign out. Then quit Messages. Relaunch the app and log in with your Apple ID. Go to Message Preferences and, in the iMessage tab, select Sync Now. Number 3. Clear iMessage cache. Open Finder and simultaneously hold down Command, Shift, and G key on your keyboard. In the dialog box, enter the following line: ~library/messages/. Select all files and move them to trash. Clear your trash. And restart your Mac. Number 4. Sign out of iCloud and sign back in. Click on the Apple logo. Select System Preferences. Then go to Apple ID. Select Overview and sign out of iCloud. When you have signed out, restart your Mac. After your Mac has booted, sign into iCloud again. Go to System Preferences. Click on Sign In and enter your Apple ID and password. Enter your Mac password for authentication. Number 5. Set the correct time and date. Click on the Apple logo. Select System Preferences. Find Date and Time icon and click on it. At the bottom left corner, click on Unlock. Enter your Mac password. Check Set Date and Time automatically, and close the lock. Thank you for watching.